The most discerning homeowners know that true luxury is not defined by trends, but by quality and individuality. Yet, so many design-build projects get stuck with mass-produced, builder-grade materials, resulting in a remodel that looks and feels just like the rest. This is where our approach is different. At Fresh Start Designs, we are your design partner, dedicated to crafting a custom-tailored vision for your space. We work to liberate you from the limitations of prepackaged options, connecting you with premier interior designers and general contractors who share our commitment to excellence. This ensures you can select the finest finishes and custom details you desire, from artisanal fixtures to high-end cabinetry. Your home is a statement. Make it an original. Visit us online at freshstartdesignsco.com or call us at 610-624-2164. Revive your home with Fresh Start Designs.